Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Inside Look into the Essential Pandeiro Method book, where each week I'm going to explore one of the lessons from one of the chapters in this book. We're also giving away a free custom-made Mino Pandeiro this holiday season. All you have to do is join our groove letter at scottkettner.com or nationbeat.com or linked somewhere in this message, and we'll send you a message on how you can enter a chance to win this specific custom-made Mino Pandeiro for free. For now, let's get into this week's quick lesson. For this lesson, let's dive into some slap tone sprints. This is from page 34 in chapter 3. And the idea of this exercise is that we're jogging at the 8th note level and sprinting at the 16th note level. And this is going to help us build our muscles, build our endurance to be able to play faster tempos for a longer period of time. All right, so we're looking at number 5 and number 6 on page 34. I'm going to repeat them a couple times. Here we go. 1E and a 2E and a ready. Here we go. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 5. All right, so as always, doing this with the metronome, long periods of time for as long as you can take it. You're going for a consistent sound, an even sound, and build those muscles, get that endurance up, and start playing fast tempos. All right? Have fun practicing. Don't forget to sign up for the newsletter or the groove letter where you can enter a chance to win this Pandeiro for free, this custom-made Mino Pandeiro for free. All right? I'll see you in the next lesson.